running around town looking for customers, doing the accounting part of it, the finance part of it, balancing the books, trying to get the other person that's not working well to do what they're supposed to do, doing a lot of research, looking for people to fund the business, building a team, building relationships with partners. Those are just some of the few things that you will have to do when you start a business. It's not easy. It's never easy. It takes a lot of running around, trying out so many things, becoming the camera person, becoming the videographer, becoming the graphics design person, becoming the market manager. Actually, you will do so much by yourself. It is not easy. It is very, very hard. Welcome to today's podcast. We are talking simply about the easy way out. Is it good or is it bad? According to my experience, the easy way out is a trap. People have talked a lot about comfort zone, and this is very similar to what someone's comfort zone looks like. Think about it. There are times when you may think you are taking the smart way out, but rather you're just taking the easy way out. And yet you clearly know that you need to do things the other way. And when you go that way that you think is smart, for a moment, things will be fine. But shortly after that, things turn out to be very, very difficult. So the easy way out is usually a trap. If you have been paying attention to the business world, you might have heard this saying that if it's not hard, it's probably not worth doing it. Do you ever wonder why so many people talk about starting businesses? So many people, even out of school, when they're still in school, someone is talking about, I'm going to finish campus, I'm not going to work for anyone, I'm going to work for myself, I'm going to open my own business. But most people, actually close to more than 90% of people take employment. They go and get a job and they tell themselves that I'm going to do this job for just a short time. I'm going to be working on my own business on the side. And afterwards, I'm going to just get on with my own business. But that never happens for so many people. Very, very few people actually get to do it. Why? It's hard. It is very, very hard to sustain a business. Starting a business can be a little bit easy. It can be a little bit cheap. But sustaining it, making it work in the long term so that you earn a living out of it, it's very hard. So my advice to you from my own experience is not to take the easy way out. Trust the process. If you need to learn about something, learn. If you don't have the money to hire someone to do a part of work that you can actually handle, do that. Do not spend the money that you could spend on some other things, on things that you can actually handle by yourself. If you need to become the photographer, do. If you have to do things by yourself, please do. Up until the business has picked up, then you can move on to other smaller things. At the beginning, it seems like it's not working, but after some time, you're going to appreciate it. Well, thank you. That's the tip that I'm sharing with you today in this podcast. We share practical tips to help people who would like to accumulate wealth and riches. And the best way to do that is to start a business or to run multiple establishments. So if you can't handle doing a business, it may be a little bit hard to accumulate that kind of wealth. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you're watching from Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, put a like. And even on YouTube, please click on the like button. It helps me a lot. Do not forget to hit on the notification bell so that in case we have any new content, you will be notified. So take it upon yourself. If you're just starting a new business, try not to go the easy way out. Try to do things the right way that needs to be done. And if you have already started a business, I'm sure you have gone through that and you understand it very well. So just keep taking the steps, the necessary steps that need to be taken. But maybe I'm wrong. If you have other comments about this, if you agree with me, please let me know in the comment section. If you don't, also let us know why you think it may be better to do things the other way around. Thank you. I'll see you in 2 weeks' time when I make another video. Bye-bye.